So basically, my offline schools have started, and in the morning I have to go to school at 8:30 to 1 o'clock. So after that, my routine starts, and that's where we are going to meet. So see you. Guess what, guys? For finally I'm home, and today was my Sanskrit exam, and it has gone awesome. मतलब एक भी question ऐसा नहीं था जो नहीं आता था. It was just awesome. I loved the paper today. The paper was really very easy, and it was of Sanskrit. And guys, अब मैं घर आ गई हूँ. Now it's like अभी 1 बज रहे हैं, एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग फ्रॉम 2. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्लान माई एंटायर स्केड्यूल कि कैसे कब कितना पढ़ना है. सो लेट मी शो यू माई स्केड्यूल इन 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is my schedule for the day, and according to this schedule only I'm going to study, and I had this after coming back home. So I'm basically solving sample paper of maths for semester 1 exams, because my semester 1 exams are approaching me a lot. They're from 15 March and today is 4th of March. So I have to prepare for them, and I think that sample paper is the best way to prepare. Like आप 3 घंटे बैठ के पेपर कर पा रहे हो, ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन नहीं छोड़ना. आप यू गेट स्किल्ड अ लॉट, एंड आपको पता चलता है. एंड देन मैं अपना क्वेश्चन खुद से चेक करूँ ताकि मुझे पता चले यार मैं कहाँ गलतियाँ करती हूँ. एंड you get to learn a lot, and these are the best way to study, and I got 74 out of 80, which I am satisfied with. I'm booking my classes online, some of my master classes online on Vedantu app, and I'm setting alarm for them क्योंकि वो ये classes एक ही टाइम पे रोज़ नहीं होते, इसलिए याद नहीं रहते. So now basically, after taking a short break from my maths sample paper, now I have started to complete my science sample paper for grade 8 for semester 1 exams, as they are at the doorstep. So I have to prepare, and then let me tell you that science is really a very easy subject, but there's a lot of remembering weightage, and my favorite subject is science, and in science I love biology the most. I got 76 out of 80 marks in this sample paper for science. Actually, it is more than maths, because maths is quite more tough than science, because it's totally conceptual, and you have to be like, you need a lot of practice. So today I started writing a book named Essence of Biology. Like, it's a dream for me to write a biology book, because I really love biology, and so I started writing about the first chapter, that was cell, basics unit of life, which I have divided in some chapters. And now here begins my biology class, which is my love. So it is biology for class 10. The chapter is life processes, and I have also made notes. They were of tissues chapter, but I showed you because I wanted. So now I am entering my first class, is matter around us pure for class 9. Now you would be thinking, why am I studying of class 8, class 9, class 10 all mixed? Because I really love science, and irrespective of which grade book I am studying, I still love, and I have sciences of all these 3 grades. I have sciences of 6 to 10, all the grades. So now I started with my first book session, and it was basically a quiz session on Is Matter Around Us Pure. And while giving the quiz, I used to scroll in my YouTube to see whether my classes, and I used to add some videos to watch later to like execute them, to study from them. Now in the quiz, something happened really good, which keeps on happening, and I wanted to show you guys that my name is in leaderboard is Alka. So आप सोच रहे हो कि अलका नाम से क्यों? Because मैंने वेदांतु में अलका नाम से साइन इन कर रखा है, मैं सिस्टर्स अकाउंट से साइन इन कर रखा है, इसीलिए अलका वर्मा. And now it's time for social studies. It's 7 o'clock, so 7 to 8:30 in my schedule I have to do social studies. I'm reading chapter How Traders Became Rulers. That's just as the CBSE chapter Trade to Territory, but my books are different due to I am in Gujarat Board. I'm writing the most important points in my notebook so that I can refer to them later, and as well as I'm reading the textbook out, and I'm highlighting the important points out of it. And then I started to read the entire NCERT book, the Trade to Territory chapter, because they're really interrelated. And yeah, I'm reading the same chapter from NCERT because it really helps a lot, as I'm really not very good at SST. Now I'm solving the example questions for the same chapter, as we get workbook from schools in which we get example questions as well as sample papers. Guys, now it's time for geography. So history का एक चैप्टर खत्म हो गया. Now I am doing geography, जिसमें I am doing the chapter natural disaster, and उस चैप्टर का मैं सारे important वर्ड हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ और नोटबुक में लिख रही हूँ. My maximum time for the day to SST, because in SST a lot of syllabus of mine was left. In SST I have to complete chapter 1 to 9, because this is in semester 1 examination, and it is starting from 15 March. Can you guys imagine? And today is actually 4th of March, so yeah, I have to prepare for it. So there are some chapters. So today I had a goal to complete 1 to 5 chapters. ठीक है? And then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll be completing 6, 7, 8, 9 chapters as I get time. So 1 to 5 chapters, in which 2 chapters are history, 2 chapters of geography, and 1 chapter of civics. So I've actually completed these chapters just now, and you saw the video as well. After that, we have a revision for unit 1 to 5, which have to do, like, let us remember some important terms, understand latest things, and then do it on our own. With that, I also have to do some exercise, like 1 to 4 my chapter exercises are done, chapter 5 exercise is only just remaining, and only then after then revision 1 is something that's lacking. So I think I'm done with the day. Like, this is something that I'm going to do. I'm not going to shoot video for this, but this is something that I'm going to do. And then after doing this, I'm going to have my food and I'm going to sleep really well. So this is something that I have to say. Thanks for watching the entire video till the end. If you want more study vlogs, if you enjoy watching them, do let me know in the comment section below, and do let me know how can I improve in vlogging when it comes to study vlogging, because I'm not really good at it, and this was my very first study vlog. So that's why I'm saying this. And if you think that there's some point at which I need to improve, or there's something that I could have done better, do let me know in the comments below. So let's meet in another video. Till then, bye guys.